Hello, students. Good morning. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Damini Kovani, and I would like to welcome all my dear students of Creative International School. And I am going to teach you math subject, and which we are going to start it from Unit 7. As earlier we have completed Unit 6, so Unit 7, which is time goes on. Actually we all are from the moment we wake up, जब भी हम उठते हैं तब से ही हम टाइम से सराउंडेड होते हैं, राइट? लाइक we wake up at 7 o'clock, right? Then what we will do, we will brush our teeth, we will take a bath, and then after that we will have our breakfast, right? Then what we will do, you will go for a study time as your online classes is going on, right students? So you will go for online classes of different subjects, so teacher will come and teach you, so you will study. After that again lunch time, so you will take a lunch at 12 o'clock or maybe 1 o'clock, like that, 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. After that you will go to sleep, right? To take a nap, because sleep is really necessary, especially in this lockdown time, right? So take a rest, and then again in evening you might be having some homework, so and then again you will go to play, and then again dinner. So all of the things are happening, and day and night, then morning and evening, all these things are happening. Why? Just because of the time is going on. Just because time is going on, so the day changes, then again night comes, right? So all these things going on. As time is going on, we have to follow time to make our schedule, and we have to follow that schedule also. So let's start, students. Actually in this page number 95, unit 7, time goes on, there is a story given, and the story is interesting also, as it is ulta pulta time. This is a story with topsy turvy time. Okay bachcha, let's start beta. As the sun sets, dash Sumana wakes up. Actually what we have to do here is the word which is written in pink letters, right? The word which is written with pink letters, what we have to do here is, we have to, as it is said, as I told you before, it is a ulta pulta time. It means we have to write the opposite of the word which is pink, and that we have to select it from the box which is given ahead. See, this is the box which is given, and what we have to do here is, we have to write the opposite of the word which is written in the pink letters. So as the sun sets, what is the opposite of the sets? Sets मतलब जब sun उगता है तो सुमाना उठता है, सुमाना उठ जाता है, right? तो set का opposite हमको लिखना है. So what we will write? Set का opposite क्या होगा? Rises. Set मतलब ढलना, and rises मतलब उठना, जब सन उगता है, राइट? सो एज द सन राइजेस, हियर बाजू में जहाँ अंडरलाइन है, व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट देयर, राइजेस. एज द सन राइजेस, सुमाना वेक्स अप. What a lovely evening. No, here evening will not come. Again a letter of pink color. What we have to do here is, we have to correct it, and we have to write the opposite of evening. What is the opposite of evening, beta? The opposite of evening is morning, right? And here already morning is given in the box. So what you will write it here? Wow, what a lovely morning. कितनी खूबसूरत सुबह है. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. Again we can see that hours, right? Do you need hours? I mean, you need really hours to wash your face? Really? No ना. आई डोंट थिंक दैट कोई भी 2 घंटे लगाता होगा अपना फेस साफ़ करने में, अपना फेस वॉश करने में. नो बडी टेक आवर्स, राइट? सो वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. आवर्स की जगह क्या लगेगा? minutes. Yeah, seconds. Actually, not seconds, but minutes. Right? Okay, let's go ahead. And runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest, as she might be liking the birds, and the nest is nearby her house, so she is going there straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. वो कुछ महीनों से जो अंडे रखे हैं नेस्ट में, द एग्स रखे हैं नेस्ट में, वो उसको ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी. अगेन यू कैन सी दैट मंथ्स रिटन, राइट. What you will write there? मंथ की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? मंथ की जगह पे क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? What do you think so? Week, right? Yeah, what will come here? Week. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few weeks. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out. Actually, what she was waiting for? Why she was visiting to the nest? Just because she is waiting for whom she is waiting? She is waiting for the baby birds, because she wanted to watch the babies of the bird, that when it will come out and when she will be able to see them. But before she can blink her eyes, in a week, a cat jumps onto the tree. Okay, but इसके पहले कि वो अपनी आँख झपकती, in a week, do you think that to blink a eye, week is needed? 1 week it will take? Never. Again you can see that week is a pink, it is written in the pink letters, so we have to change it, right? Seconds. What will come there? Seconds. Because to blink eye only seconds are needed. No minute, no week, right? But before she can blink her eyes, in a second, a cat jumps onto the tree. Suddenly a cat comes, and it is the enemy of the bird, so it came onto the nest. Suddenly, the mother bird cries loudly, and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. And the mother bird cries loudly. Why she is crying? Just because she knows that a cat will take away her eggs, into which her babies are there, right? So it will destroy them. So she is crying loudly. The mother bird is crying loudly, and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. Shoo away means वो तुरंत वहाँ आ जाती है सुमाना, ताकि वो जो है वो भगा सके. किसको भगा सके? कैट को भगा सके. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. एंड जैसे ही कैट जो है वो जंप करके नेस्ट पे आता है, वैसे ही जो बिग ग्रीन मैंगो, वो ट्री मैंगो का होगा, सो वो मैंगो उठाती है और थम करके ज़ोर से हिट करती है. किसको हिट करती है? कैट को हिट कर देती है. इन 2 days इट इज़ ऑन द ग्राउंड. इन 2 days? नो. इन 2, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट विल कम हियर? डेज का हमें ऑपोजिट लिखना है अगेन. डेज का हमें ऑपोजिट लिखना है अगेन, राइट? सो इन 2 minutes, व्हाट विल कम देयर? इन 2 minutes इट इज़ ऑन द ग्राउंड. जैसे ही उसने ज़ोर से हिट किया मैंगो से कैट के ऊपर, वैसे ही वो 2 ही मिनट में नीचे ज़मीन पर आकर गिर गया. ओह, हाउ सैड. द मैंगो इज स्टिल नॉट फुली राइप, सो इट नीडेड 1 more dash to become sweet. और वो बोलती है कि कितनी उदास, मतलब हाउ सैड इट इज़ दैट मैंगो जो है वो अभी तक पका भी नहीं है. राइप मीन्स पका हुआ, पूरी तरह पका नहीं है. एंड इट नीडेड 1 more year टू बिकम स्वीट. 1 more what? अगेन वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट 1 more. What will come here? Students, you have to guess it, huh? Again and again. I will not only guess. You also have to help me. Come on, help me. According to you, what will come? It needed 1 more dash to become sweet. What will come here? It will need it needed one more week. Actually, it will need one more week to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep or what?" So, suddenly her sister is calling her that, "Are you still not hungry?" As she has not taken her breakfast. She just washed her face and she ran out to just and visited the nest, right? So she has not still taken her breakfast. So Sumana's sister is asking that, "Are you not hungry? आपको भूख नहीं लगी है? और आपके जो स्टमक का जो क्लॉक है, क्या वो सो गया है? आपके पेट में आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है? आपको भूख नहीं लगी है?" Then she is asking, "Come and eat hot upma for dinner." Then she is calling her and she is telling her that, "चलो आ जाओ और हम गर्मा गर्म उपमा खाते हैं." But she is again asking for dinner. Dinner is the wrong option. What it will come? Breakfast. As it is the morning time, so definitely it is the breakfast time, right? So our story is completed now. Now, how long does it take? Before we start that, I will take this portion of it in the next lecture. Today's homework, students, is that you have to fill the blanks into it, page number 95 and page number 96. In 96 the box is given. From that you have to select the answers and you have to write it down. So you have to write all these things into it, and also you have to write days of the week. You know that there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, right? So you have to write all those five times. And also you have to write months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Total 12 months are there in a year. That also you know that. So you have to write five times days of the week and months of the year in your notebook. Thank you. Bye bye.